I'm going to quickly demonstrate a reasonably new feature that we have in the extension where you can filter experiments by get tags. So if we open up the table, you can see that I have several tagged commits in the table. The tag is shown when you hover, or also in the name of the commit sometimes. And I can filter by these tags by clicking on this filter icon. I can then click here and add filter, or the plus icon there. I can also use the command palette to add a filter. So if I select get tags and I say get tag is equal to model v1, that will give me the actual specific tag, or I can say that the tag contains model, and that will give me all the tags that contain the substring. So that's it.